In this exercise, we're going to recreate a Choropleth map illustrating the percentage of renter-occupied housing units in the United States of America sourced from the US Census data. Let's begin by opening the map containing the US state boundaries in Felt. You can find a link down in the video description. Next, go to the File menu and select Duplicate to My Maps. This will create a copy of the map for editing purposes. You'll also notice there's a link right here on the map. Click on this, you'll download a GeoPackage file and then simply drag it and drop it directly on the map to upload it. Okay, now we'll position the layers by first placing the US states on top of the uploaded layer. You can do this directly on the legend by dragging the layers. Next, access the style editor for the renter occupied housing units layer and position it below water and roads. Next, change the visualization type to color range. Under Color By, select Renter Occupied by Percentage, which is the field containing the relevant information for this map. Go into Steps and select the Jinx method, keeping the steps at 5. Next, let's edit the legend content to remove decimals and simplify it for better clarity. And finally, you can now choose a background map based on your preferences. In this case, I'm going to use the dark map as it contrasts well with the green colors. And voila, there is our Choropleth map. To learn more about GIS and cartography, be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. See you in the next one.